Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we will review the LAP-F1 probes. Each probe carries two signals. For each probe there are therefore two wire pairs. The silver wire transmits the signal and the black wire is for ground. Note that all the probes are colored. These colors are there to help you organize your work. The probes come in bundles of 8, so there are 8 different colors. Note that the wire pairs are also numbered. Again, this is just to help you organize yourself. The probes are electrically identical, so it's not strictly necessary to follow the colors nor the numbers. Each probe has 4 pins. The 2 central pins are for the 2 signals, and the side pins are for ground. So each probe samples 2 signals and is connected to one port of the LAP-F1. We are going to connect this probe to the A0 port. Now, how do we know which of the wires will be shown as which channel in the software? When looking at the probe from the upside, which is the pin side of the PCB, the left flying lead will be shown on the lower of the 2 channels. This port corresponds to channels A0 and A1 in the software. The signal captured by the left wire will be shown on channel A0. The right will be shown on channel A1. We have different probes for different signal types. Our eMMC probes are specially designed for eMMC acquisitions. Note that these probes are a bit different. Each eMMC probe carries only one signal. And as before, the white cable is for the signal and the black is for ground. On top of the eMMC probe, there is a small screw. This screw is used to adjust the trigger voltage level. The trigger voltage of the other probe types can be changed in the software. The accessories also include clip-on connectors. These can be connected to the probe by turning the flying leads around. Look at how I can now separate the Dupont ground connector from the signal connector, and how I can connect the clip-on to the flying lead. By compressing the clip-on, you will reveal 2 metal prongs. These can be connected to the device under test. And as mentioned, we also provide low voltage probes and negative logic probes for optional purchase. And again, the colors and numbers are only for reference. Note that the USB cables are also color-coded, also for reference. All probes and cables are electrically identical, so any cable can be used with any probe. And the probe with its cable can be connected to any port of the LAP-F1.